I'm Neville Cox. I'm an electrical trainer assessor with Gen 2. Well, I started my career with the RAF many moons ago. I went through the aerospace industry. I moved up to Cumbria and started as a electrical maintenance manager and spent the last 14 years as a maintenance engineering manager. And I've been developing apprentices throughout that period and directing how they should progress and how they should be trained within the company I was with. And after seeing that, it really motivated me towards the back end of my career to put more into that. I got a great deal of satisfaction in seeing these kids develop and progress through their careers, and it's nice to be able to put something in at this level. Well, for the electrical trades, there are a number of different options. There's the MOE, which gives a lot of flexibility for maintenance electricians for different industries. That can be tailored to the particular industry that you're working with. There's the Science Industry Maintenance Technician Apprenticeship, which offers a role for maintainers in a more of a science-based industry. If you've got a lot of technicalities for your industry on the science side, then that is more appropriate. And then there's the more direct installation, the engineering operative, which is all about for the installers who are installing new equipment and focused on that side of the electrical trade. It's very important to get a basis, a grounding for new electricians, technicians, and having that basis gives employers an opportunity then to develop them further. It's quite a demanding challenge to take somebody straight from school with no skills and then get them up to a safe level of competence. The apprenticeship can offer you that, offers the ability to get students up to a level then you can comfortably work with them in the workplace and then develop their skills specific to your industry. Well, the first thing I would do is contact someone like Gen 2 because they obviously are in touch with a number of companies that are looking for apprentices. If there's particular companies that you're interested in, send your CV into them. It's very important to have some background of part-time jobs, etc. But the companies that are looking for apprentices will be going through companies like Gen 2 to provide that. So there's a number of different directions you can approach it. A good apprentice is somebody who's motivated to get into the industry, is attentive, hard-working, as any employer will want a hard-working employee at the end, somebody who wants to drive and develop themselves. And that's the thing really through the apprenticeship. If they've got the discipline to push, they can be very successful, and that relates straight through their career. Well, after apprenticeship, the possibilities are limitless. You can progress on through the supervisory grades within the various companies you were in. You can set up your own business, depending on the apprenticeship you're doing. But I've had apprentices that have progressed through the apprenticeship, developed on with their higher education, and progressed on to BEng degrees and chartership, and now are senior engineering managers and designers. Well, I had a young lad who started an apprenticeship. It was actually with Gen 2 many years ago. He progressed up and he ended up being to be the chief engineer for the company I was working for. But then he was headhunted back from EDF Energy, and now he's a program manager for EDF Energy, looking after energy distribution for a broad range of the country.